Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your iPhone 6s Plus so you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. For this demonstration, I will be using my locked T-Mobile iPhone 6s Plus and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network, but it's the exact same process for any carrier. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. The place where I get all my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com because they have the cheapest prices online and I get my codes much faster than other websites. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. And on the next page, go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. So in my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is T-Mobile. Before we continue, we do need the IMEI number of the iPhone, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once the phone displays the IMEI number, you have to go back on the website and enter that in. Now once everything is filled out, select Get Unlocking Code and that will take you to the final screen where you have to check out. After checking out, the unlocking company will remotely unlock your iPhone, and the only thing you have to do is finish the unlocking process. So here's what you have to do. Power off the iPhone and remove the SIM tray which is located on the right side. Then go ahead and insert the SIM card you want to use with the iPhone. Now I want to use the iPhone on my AT&T network, so I'm putting in my AT&T SIM card. If your SIM card does not fit, you have to adjust the size in order for it to work. There is a link down below to show you how that's done. Once the SIM card is inside the phone, go ahead and power it back on. Once the phone boots up, you might get a SIM invalid message, which is perfectly fine. Next step is to go ahead and plug in your iPhone to your PC and open up iTunes. It will automatically ask you to log in using your Apple ID and password, so once you enter that in and click on continue, a message will pop up congratulating you on unlocking your iPhone. So as you can see, I'm using my T-Mobile iPhone 6s Plus on my AT&T network. So that's how you unlock your iPhone 6s Plus for any GSM carrier in the world. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and if you have any questions or run into any problems, ask me in the comment section down below and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.